Welcome to What the F is Qantas blank, a new short video series where I explore Qantas's old and new programs. So today I'm going to explore Qantas Points Club as well as Points Club Plus, a new initiative launched in 2020 where the whole purpose was for Qantas to reward those who are just earning points instead of those who are just flying constantly with Qantas. So basically to grow out their loyalty programs. So there are two levels of this. So there's the Points Club, which is just basically 150,000 points to get into, and then the, I guess, premium level or the second tier, which is Points Club Plus, which takes 350,000 points to reach. Okay, so let's talk about the benefits. I'm gonna look at the Qantas website here, and I'm gonna look at 3 key benefits, in my opinion, which basically beat out the rest of the benefits. If you wanna take a look at the rest, I'll link a link in the description below. But the first benefit I want to talk about is the lounge passes or the lounge access. For the first tier, you get 2 lounge passes once you reach it. But the most interesting part is if you reach the second tier, you get Qantas Club. Now I want to make a video on Qantas Club, but it's a very old program. Basically, the whole one-liner is you get access to a ton of Qantas and partner lounges. Now, you don't get access to all of them, but I'd say you get access to probably 80% of it as well as all the domestic ones. So it's a pretty big benefit, I think, if you're flying pretty domestically all around Asia, in my opinion. So that's one benefit. Number 2 is the ability to earn status credits through classic reward flights. So classic reward flights are basically just, points-based flights. You book it for your points and then you pay a bit of tax and then voila, you can fly somewhere. But normally those flights you don't get any benefits apart from just flying. However, with this program, you get status credits, which are normally only rewarded through cash bought flights. Now, obviously you only get a certain ratio, you don't get the full amount, but it's still pretty good, better than nothing, right? So in my opinion, this is a great benefit. For example, someone who just needs to hit gold, but doesn't want to pay cash to pay for their status run. So they can use this instead, which is a great way to kind of bridge that gap, just if you're missing gold, for example. So if you want to check out how many points you need or how many credits you get from a specific flight, there's a table below that Qantas has on their website, which I'll link in the description below. The third key benefit, in my opinion, which is only available for the Points Club Plus, so only the second tier, is the 100 status credit rollover. Now, this is really good because sometimes you just need that extra 100. So to compare, for gold, to hit gold, you need 700. To maintain it, you get 600. And with this, you only need 500 status credits to keep gold, which is a lot easier than trying to earn 600 and 700. So this is, in my opinion, a third key benefit. Now, I've got a ton of other benefits. You can just scroll so many. There's so many. But in my opinion, these are the 3 key benefits that most people want the program for, and the others are just more additional bonuses, in my opinion. So yeah, check it out if you're interested. Okay, so is it worth it? Now, in my opinion, you can get the first tier very easily, and you can get all the benefits alongside it. The first tier you can get if you just doing credit card churning and you just book through Qantas anyway, and generally you can probably hit that easily. I hit it without even realizing in 2021. But if you want to hit the second tier, that's where you have to try a bit harder. And it's really only, in my opinion, the people getting the most value out of the second tier are those who are kind of hitting gold, or they just want to bridge the gap between gold and just kind of 80% on the way there, or even a way to just get extra status credits for their platinum membership. A great example is someone who travels for work. They get enough points through work-based travel, which is normally paid by work, but they just need an extra amount of status credits just to hit the next gold or platinum, and they need somewhere without needing to do status credit runs, which normally cost cash. So instead you can use classic reward flights, be in the club, and get status credits. Pretty easy, pretty simple, and that's one example of someone who could benefit from it. So overall, TLDR, those who benefit most from the program are, in my opinion, just status credit chasers. And now you don't need to spend cash to get those extra status credits, you can just use your points, which is ironic in a way, because it is a points-focused program. So the last question is, how do you reach these tiers? Now, I made a video on how to really focus on gaining low Qantas points, but just to summarize in 5 seconds, Qantas insurance, Qantas credit cards or Qantas-based credit cards, Qantas wine, Qantas programs and offers like the Woolies reward program, switches and stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. So those are your kind of main ones that you can use to hit your points. And that's it. Hopefully this video explains what Qantas Points Club is it worth it, and how you get there. And yeah, leave a comment below if you have any other questions, and leave a like and subscribe for more Qantas content, because I want to do tons of these programs, videos for you. Thanks.